Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create progress bar in Tkinter. Let's get started. First let me create a method, create pro self self dot pro ttk dot progress bar. Okay, it's here. Okay, and self. Okay, horizontal. Okay, and length 300. Okay, okay, I forget the comma here. Okay, and self dot pro back. Let's call the method and see how it is look like. Create pro. Okay, and if I run this is our progress bar. And okay, to start the progress bar, okay, we have to add the button. Okay, we will do this. Okay, at first let's understand this. TTK stand for Tkinter Theme Kit. Okay, it's provide features to customize our widgets, and progress bar is the method, and orient means okay directions. Okay, I can give vertical, and direction is vertical. Now you can see. Okay, and length means length of the progress bar. Okay, and I pack it. Okay, let's add some button. Self dot start. Okay, button. Self and text. Okay, start and self dot back. And okay, we need button to stop the progress bar also. Okay, stop. I apologize. Okay, stop. And okay, I also have to back this or place this to the window. Stop pro dot back. And okay, I use place. See, place x150 and y equal to 70. Okay, everything seem okay. Let's see okay whether it is working properly or not. Okay, unknown. Okay, should be x. Now okay, now you can see this is our restart button and this is our restart button. This is our progress button. Let's add some function to this button. Okay, to do this we have to create method. Okay, tar start pro one. Okay, self and self dot okay pro dot start. Okay, it's inbuilt method. Okay, which is start the progress bar. Okay, self dot pro dot stop. Okay, stop method is used to stop the progress bar. Okay, let's add command to the button. Self dot start pro one. Okay, and stop pro one. Okay, and let's run and see okay whether it is working properly or not. Okay, if I click start, then the progress bar should start. Okay, now you can see our progress bar is starting and it's running. Okay, and if I click stop, then you can see it is a stop. Okay, in the Tkinter, we have only this box progress bar, and if you want the other progress bar, I recommend you to use the matplotlib, okay, which provide you the lots of the progress bars and the visualizations, your data and your progress of the tasks. Okay, in the Tkinter, we have only this progress bar. Okay, thank you for watching. That's all for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.